Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an ifi Zen stream and you need to do a hard reset on it. You might need to do this if it's not responding or not connecting to the Wi-Fi, or if you're having any kind of troubleshooting issues like this, a reset can fix a lot of it. Now this is easy to do, but the reason I'm making this video is because it's very important to keep something in mind here, is that once you start the reset process, you must allow it to complete or you could damage this device and then it won't be usable at all anymore. So if you would like to restore the factory default settings, all you need to do is, first of all, make sure that it's connected to power. Once it's connected to power, we're going to come in with a paper clip or a pin or whatever, just to make sure it's not too sharp, and come in and push and hold the reset button inside this slot for 2 seconds. Once we have done that, we can release it, and we cannot disconnect power. You need to leave it connected to power and make sure it doesn't lose power. And you can turn it around, and on the front, the LED light all the way to the left is the connection light. You need to wait until that light turns red, and that may take up to 5 minutes. And once that has happened, then your reset is complete. It's just important, do not allow the device to lose power during the time between when you press the button and when that light turns red.